Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: battery above 20% and Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Once done, open the watch's settings and put it into pairing mode so the phone can see it. On your phone, scan for the watch name, tap to pair, and verify the PIN when prompted. Make sure to accept any permissions the watch requests. Without contact or call permissions, calling won't work. This first step gets both devices talking and lays the groundwork for call routing. Once paired, you configure where calls go and why it matters. On your phone, grant contacts and call permissions so the watch can display caller ID and place calls. Then, in phone Bluetooth settings, choose the watch for call audio or enable hands-free profile. This routes incoming and outgoing audio to the watch. Make sure the watch's call or dialer app is enabled. Some watches require turning on the call feature separately. This middle stage ensures. Now place a test call from the watch using the dialer, recent calls, or the voice assistant. You should hear audio and see caller info. If you can't hear or the mic is muted, check volume on both devices and toggle Bluetooth off and on to re-establish the profile. If problems persist, unpair and repair the devices or reboot the watch. This clears profile glitches. Remember, granting permissions and selecting the watch as the call audio device fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.